Today, I'm sharing my thoughts after a month of using the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. It's packed with big upgrades in design, display, battery, camera, and performance. After 4 weeks with this phone, I can confidently say that unlike the Flip 5, choosing the Flip 6's folding form factor doesn't feel like a compromise anymore. But, it's not perfect, and there are things you need to know before you buy. Let's dive in. The Flip 6 starts at $1,099, which is $100 more than the Flip 5 for the base 256GB model. It's available in several bright, summery colors. I chose the silver variant, which perfectly complements the often gloomy London skies. When closed, the Flip 6 is half the size of the S24 Ultra or iPhone 15 Pro Max, albeit a bit thicker. This compactness makes it incredibly pocket-friendly, a feature especially convenient for those who struggle with smaller pockets, like in women's clothing. This year's Flip 6 sports a more squared-off design, which gives it a cleaner look. The frame is made from Samsung's enhanced armor aluminum, providing better scratch resistance. I appreciate the matte texture, and so far, my unit has held up very well without any scratches, unlike the Flip 5, which showed signs of wear after just a few weeks. Visual, highlighting the fingerprint sensor placement. The Flip 6 still has the fingerprint sensor on the right-hand side, which works well. But as a left-handed user, I would preferred an under-screen fingerprint sensor for easier access. Compared to the Flip 5, the hinge on the Flip 6 sticks out less, but I wish Samsung had adopted the more compact hinge design from the Fold 6. The Flip 6 requires 2 hands to open, but you can close it with just one hand, a very satisfying way to end a call. However, the hinge, along with the main screen, remains a potential weak point. The hinge on my unit still feels smooth after a month, but I've seen reports of hinges becoming stiffer over time. On the bright side, the Flip 6 now boasts an IP48 rating for water and, for the first time, dust resistance, which should help with long-term durability. The cover screen on the Flip 6 is like having a smartwatch on your phone. It's great for quick tasks like previewing notifications or sending a quick reply. You can even customize widget panels to see reminders, your calendar, and more at a glance. Samsung has also introduced new AI features, like live translation, where you can speak to the phone while it's half open and display the translation on the cover screen. It's a clever use of the folding form factor. While the cover screen is useful, I wish Samsung had made it slightly larger for better usability, especially when running full apps via good lock. The cover screen's brightness has been significantly improved, now reaching up to 2600 nits compared to 1750 nits on the Flip 5. This improvement carries over to the main 6.7-inch display, which is now brighter and more vibrant. The 120 Hz refresh rate makes everything buttery smooth, and the tall aspect ratio provides ample screen real estate, though reaching the top corners may require some hand gymnastics. The main screen can be partially folded to prop the phone up, which is great for watching videos hands-free. The bezels are still on the thicker side, but Samsung has made the crease less noticeable when swiping across the screen, which enhances the overall user experience. One of the most significant upgrades in the Flip 6 is the camera. It now features the same 50MP main sensor from the S24 series, offering a massive improvement in image quality. The photos are 4 times sharper than those from the Flip 5, with better low-light performance and more accurate colors. The 12MP ultra-wide camera has also been enhanced, particularly in edge sharpness and low-light conditions. While the Flip 6 lacks a dedicated telephoto lens, the 50MP main sensor handles 2x digital zoom exceptionally well, making it a non-issue for most users. Selfies are also much improved, thanks to the ability to use the main camera and cover screen as a viewfinder, delivering high-quality images with ease. Under the hood, the Flip 6 packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the same as in the Fold 6 and S24 Ultra, along with a new vapor chamber for better cooling and 12 GB of RAM. In benchmarks like Geekbench 6, we see a 22% improvement in multi-core performance over the Flip 5. In real-world use, the Flip 6 feels like a top-end phone, handling everything from multitasking to gaming with ease. The new AI features, like text generation and custom wallpaper creation, add some fun but are more of a novelty for most users. Samsung has been refining its folding phones for years, and the Flip 6 is a testament to that. With key upgrades in camera, display, performance, and battery life, the Flip 6 eliminates many of the compromises that plagued previous models. It's a worthy upgrade for those coming from earlier Flip models and an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact phone with flagship performance. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you haven't seen my full review of the Fold 6 yet, check it out on screen now. Thanks for watching, and take care.